Representatives of North-East Students Organization NESO is meeting Union Home Minister Amit Shah at Delhi to discuss the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 this afternoon. Secretary General of NESO Am Superfast is also attending the meeting, according to a report. Volunteers of Anti-Drug Committee Kairang Khomidok under Khabaisoi of Imphal East arrested 4 drug users along heroin from a location close to Chingya Laikai of Imphal East last afternoon. The volunteers later destroyed the seized heroin and the arrested drug users were handed over to their families. Fresh erosion in the Brahmaputra river areas continues to hit Golpara district in Lower Assam. As per media reports, these freshly hit areas are in the 3 Legislative Assembly constituencies of Golpara East, West Golpara and Jaleswar. The first of the 5-phase polling began in 13 assembly constituencies in Jharkhand today. As per reports, the voting commenced at 7 a.m. and will end at 3 p.m. Above 37 lakh voters, including more than 18 lakh women and 5 third-gender voters, are eligible to exercise their franchise in the first phase across 6 districts.